Have you ever pondered over the possibility of earning through affiliate marketing? Let me simplify it for you. Picture affiliate marketing as a straightforward yet potent concept. This method involves promoting a company's products or services and accumulating a commission for every successful sale or lead. Visualize this as a beneficial situation for both parties involved. The company experiences an upsurge in sales and visibility, and you, as an affiliate marketer, real passive income. Now let's talk about the diverse content types that can be used in affiliate marketing. You have a wide spectrum to work with, from music videos to movie trailers, from how-to tutorials to product reviews and even unboxings. In essence, any content form that resonates your audience can be utilized. The best part? The flexibility of working from any location, at any time, is yours to enjoy. There's no necessity to develop a product or service yourself. Rather, you're capitalizing on the fruits of others' labor to your benefit. You're constructing bridges of connection between consumers and companies and earning from it. So, are you ready to plunge into the dynamic world of affiliate marketing? Let's get you familiarized with ShareASale. An essential player in the affiliate marketing field, ShareASale stands out with its rapid progression. It's more than just a platform, it's a conduit, uniting online vendors with a network of over 270,000 active affiliate partners globally. These affiliates are not just numbers. They're content creators who produce material ranging from video game walkthroughs, cooking recipes, fitness and workout routines, to travel vlogs. ShareASale comes packed with features that propel affiliate marketing to unprecedented heights. You obtain strategic control, enabling you to navigate your affiliate program as per your plans. Partner development aids in nurturing and widening your affiliate bonds, while state-of-the-art technology keeps you of the curve, equipping your affiliates with top-notch tools for triumph. Topping it off, ShareASale delivers comprehensive data reports, giving you a transparent view of your performance, aiding you in identifying opportunities and making data-informed decisions. Whether you're a content creator, an influencer, a website proprietor, or a tech partner, ShareASale tailors to all. It's not solely about carving lucrative alliances, but also about providing real worth to your audience. Now that you've got the lowdown on ShareASale, we'll walk you through the registration and acceptance process into ShareASale's affiliate program. Embarking on the journey with ShareASale is a simple and straightforward process. Think of it as an adventure, the final destination of which is your success in affiliate marketing. Whether you're a creator producing hilarious cat or dog videos, a tech reviewer showcasing latest gadgets, a beauty and makeup guru sharing tips and tricks, or a DIY and craft enthusiast crafting wonders, ShareASale is the ideal platform for monetizing your content and achieving your goals. The beauty of ShareASale is that it provides creators, regardless of their niche, with the opportunities they need to turn their passion into profit. So let's get you signed up and ready to dive into this vibrant world. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to ShareASale's homepage. There, you'll discover a sign-up button, your gateway to a world full of opportunities. Clicking on this button will take you to a registration form. A blank canvas, you'll begin to paint your affiliate marketing story. The form requests basic details such as your name, email address, and country of residence. Enter accurate information here, as this forms the bedrock of your affiliate marketing journey. Next, you'll need to create a unique username and password. Choose something that's easy for you to remember, but hard others to guess. After all, your username is your identity in the ShareASale world. And your password? That's the key to a treasure chest of opportunities. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review everything. Remember, it's better to catch mistakes now than face hiccups. When you're confident that everything is in order, hit the register button with gusto. And just like that, you've completed the first step of your affiliate marketing journey with ShareASale. But this is just the beginning. Ahead of you lies a path filled with potential partnerships and profitable opportunities. By signing up, you've moved one step closer to launching or boosting your affiliate marketing journey with ShareASale. Now, the true journey commences with gaining acceptance into ShareASale's affiliate program. So, you've registered, brimming with enthusiasm and primed to plunge in. But first, let's delve into the acceptance process. Essentially, getting accepted into ShareASale's affiliate program is not as tough as climbing a mountain, but it does demand some due diligence on your part. The crux here is to showcase a well-designed website and engaging content that aligns with ShareASale's range of brands. And remember, this program is an incredible opportunity for creators of life hacks, educational content, celebrity gossip, and fashion hauls, offering an extensive selection of brands that resonate with your unique content. It's worth noting that being accepted into this affiliate program can significantly boost your content's reach and revenue. Think of your website as your storefront. It must be spotless, user-friendly, and captivating. It should have a specific purpose and target audience. It's also critical to ensure that your website is fully operational and free from dead links or under construction pages. On the flip side, content is what attracts your audience to your site. It should be original, valuable, and pertinent to your audience. Regularly updated content not only keeps your audience hooked, but also sends a strong signal to ShareASale that you're dedicated to your affiliate marketing pursuits. Once your website is primed and your content is ready, you can apply for ShareASale's affiliate program. You'll need to furnish details about your promotional strategies, your target, and your website's content. Be candid and comprehensive in your responses. After you've submitted your application, it will be scrutinized by ShareASale's team. This process usually takes around 2 business days. During this time, your website and content will be assessed to ensure they meet ShareASale's standards. If your application is given the green light, congratulations! You're now an official member of ShareASale's affiliate program. Now the thrilling part begins, choosing and promoting products from ShareASale's vast array brands. Congratulations! You're now officially part of the ShareASale affiliate program. But what's the next step? Welcome to the ShareASale family. The time has come to open up a treasure trove of earning possibilities. ShareASale's affiliate program caters to a broad spectrum of creators, including those who create book reviews, conspiracy theories, ASMR content, and motivational and inspirational talks. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or a social media influencer, this is your golden chance. By curating engaging content that endorses ShareASale's variety of brands, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your affiliate link. Authenticity is key. Choose brands that resonate your platform and audience. ShareASale also opens its doors to influencer partnerships, offering integration and tracking for influencer partners, providing a means to monetize your social media presence by joining forces with brands on ShareASale. Each successful referral earns you a commission. Consider it as earning by sharing what you love with your audience. For website owners, ShareASale offers 2 display options. Traditional banner ads or text links. Choose what best suits your website's aesthetic. These displays serve as gateways for your site visitors to the brands you're endorsing. Each click, each sale, earns you a commission. To assist you in optimizing your earnings, ShareASale provides conversion lines. These tools enable you to track and analyze your affiliate performance so you can refine your strategies. Moreover, with real-time insights, you can monitor your earnings and pinpoint precisely where they're originating from. Remember, earning with ShareASale's affiliate program isn't an overnight riches scheme. It's about nurturing profitable partnerships over time through careful planning and committed effort. It's about linking appropriate brands with the right audience, your audience. In this process, you create a win-win situation, earning a commission, introducing your audience to outstanding brands, and bringing valuable customers to ShareASale's partners. With diligence and strategic planning, your collaboration with ShareASale can evolve into a prosperous venture. So, let's recap why ShareASale is an attractive platform for affiliate marketers. ShareASale is not just another affiliate marketing platform. It's a rapidly growing community that connects online retailers with over 270,000 active affiliate partners worldwide. That's right, 270,000. This extensive network offers a wealth of opportunities for affiliate marketers to collaborate and build profitable partnerships. ShareASale not only benefits the seasoned marketers, but also caters specifically to creators of car reviews and comparisons, reaction videos, challenges and dares, pranks and meditation and mindfulness content. The platform provides these unique content creators with opportunities to form and monetize their work, helping them turn their passion into profit. Each sector can find partnership opportunities to monetize their unique content. But it's not just about the numbers. Is committed to providing strategic control and to help you reach your affiliate program goals. With innovative technology and comprehensive data reporting, can have a clear view of your progress and data-driven decisions to optimize your performance. And let's not forget the plethora of tools at your disposal. ShareASale provides real-time insights so you can stay on top of your game. With targeted invitations to affiliates and the ability to integrate and track influencer partners, you can expand your reach and maximize your earnings. The platform also offers conversion lines for optimizing commission payouts and brand protection tools to safeguard your reputation. But what if you're not a tech whiz? No problem. ShareASale offers easy integrations with popular e-commerce platforms and 2 display options for websites. This makes it user-friendly and accessible, even if you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey. In addition, ShareASale doesn't just leave you to fend for yourself. They are committed to partner development, providing you with the resources and support you need to succeed. With ShareASale, you're not just signing up for a platform, you're joining a community that's in your success. With ShareASale, you have the potential to turn your passion into profit. Why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today.